Hi, my name is Matt, and this is a tutorial for using the wait for icons. In our previous example, we had motors A and motor B going forward. However, when we had this program linked together, we realized that the robot wouldn't actually move. A common practice to make a robot move a certain distance is to have the motors run for a certain amount of time. To do this, we're going to use what are called wait for icons. Within our function palette, we look for something that looks like a watch to time how long our motor is going to run. If we look in the first column, we see a group of wait for icons. When we select this icon, we are given a new menu. Here we see a bunch of different options. For now, we will simply use a wait for amount of time. These are represented by the 1 second, 2 second, 4 second, 6 second, and wait for a given amount of time. First, we'll have the robot move forward for 2 seconds. We drag out the 2 second wait for icon. We want to put this after we turn our motors on. Let's link the program together. Again, we use this spool to connect icons with pink wires. To check, we see that our arrow is white and our program makes sense. The way that this program will work is that the green light will start the program. Motor A will turn on and motor B will turn on. Then the program hits this 2 second wait for. At this instance, the program continues to run and waits on this block for a total of 2 seconds. In this case, motor A and motor B will continue running until the 2 seconds is up and we reach our red light. It is important to note that this will simply stop supplying energy to the motors, so there may be a rollover effect. To account for this, we can delete our pink line by selecting the mouse icon, selecting the pink link, and hitting the delete or backspace button. We can then select our stop sign icons, which do exactly what you think they do: stop specific or all motors. By supplying this icon, we will have the motors actually forcibly stop after 2 seconds, and then the program will end. Another example that is important to note is if we want to move in multiple directions. We want to delete the stop sign icon, and let's have motor A and motor B then move in reverse after 2 seconds. Again, if we do just this, we need to realize that motor A and motor B will go in reverse for just a split second. So we want to use another wait for icon. For this, we go back to our wait fors and select whatever amount of time we so choose. For this instance, we may want to move for only a second and a half, and as we see, this is not a direct option. So what we must use is the question mark wait for time icon, which allows the user to supply a value. When we drag this out, we see that there is a number below it that represents how long this wait for will wait. To change this number, which is in seconds, we need to use the text tool. We click within the box and are able to write in any number we want, including the use of decimal places. This now works like a normal wait for the specified time. If we link our program together, we see that again we get our white arrow producing a coherent program. If we are in our wait for menu and we want to return to our primary menu, all we do is hit this up arrow. This brings us back to the original function palette. This is the use of wait fors within Robolab.